Gunshots in my neighborhood. Gunshots in my neighborhood. Gunshots in my neighborhood. Gunshots in my neighborhood.
Niggas in Akron, they stay gun clapping, strapped up, rolling, looking for some action. I stay pistol packing, I stay on the shoe marker and I act back. Henny the guy picking up the slacking. Niggas be acting and these niggas be taxing. That's your downfall, niggas be relapsing. Time for the jacking. Hollow tip slowly passing your face. Am I going to court and beating the case? Am I losing just off the shit I say? Real talk, don't play. I'm in this bitch, my niggas, so make way. I let my AKs and semi-spray. If you niggas want it, you can get it to fucking A. The K to fucking lay. Niggas out today.
Gunshots in my neighborhood. Gunshots in my neighborhood. Gunshots in my neighborhood. Gunshots in my neighborhood.
I'm a original gangster. You niggas fucking with me, you niggas got shank ya. With a switchblade, you niggas is bitch made. Coming around this bitch, you niggas don't get paid. Niggas better recognize when I step in your area. A real G. Come and see me if you talking that shit. Pulling burners from the hip, emptying that clip. Bare-faced robberies and hold-ups and shit. Out for blood, you bitch. So you gon' die. One day, that's no lie. So kick rocks or die, bullets gon' fly. Real niggas say, so fresh and so fly. And I'm higher than a motherfucking sky. And I'm a fucking pilot, cause I'm fly.
Gunshots in my neighborhood. Gunshots in my neighborhood. Gunshots in my neighborhood. Gunshots in my neighborhood.
Unorthodox. I knock your ass straight out your motherfucking socks. Then I grab my pistol, then I bitch out a cock. These niggas don't rock, niggas is so fake. Niggas is haters, fucking bitch niggas. These niggas is traitors. Me, I'm locally known, but I'm fucking major. And you played out like a two-way pager. I put a slug in your chest, leave your ass to rest. Niggas ain't no second guess. Man, your ass is a hot mess. All you hear is gun clapping around these bars. Niggas is street smarts, but all you hear is gunshots after dark. Niggas ain't got no hearts. Niggas around here, niggas is fucking tart. Man, killing us all around.
Gunshots in my neighborhood. Gunshots in my neighborhood. Gunshots in my neighborhood. Gunshots in my neighborhood.